So with the help of background image properties, we can set as a image as a background, right? We can set image as a background. First one is background image. By using this background image property, we can set the image to background. Here we are placing URL. What is a URL? We are placing an image path, exact file path, right? With the help of property, we can specify the background image of the element. With the help of this one, we can set a element, right? Suppose the paragraph is there now, so with the only we can set image for only paragraph element. Suppose the paragraph occupies this height and width, so in this area only we can set the image as a background. We can set the background image for all type of visible elements, so it is only for visible elements. Some elements are visible, hidden way is there, disable way is there. That situation, the background color is also not visible. We can use this property to alternative to img tag. With the help of this one, there is a img tag. In HTML there is a image tag is there now, so we are overcome that, we are alternative way is there. With the help of this one, we will be get that same result. The next one is background position. This property is used to set the position of the background image. Suppose same one, this is the image is there, so first left and right, this is the left side and this is right side. So when we are calling this one left top, this one is a left top and left bottom and left center and left bottom, and this one center top and center and center bottom. Here one right top, right center and right bottom. The total 6 ways are there, right? With the help of this one, we can do that. So same, left top center, the same way. This one would be left top and center, left center, and it would be left bottom. This entire one is left and it will be going to center and it will be going to right side, right top, bottom, center, based on that only. So the next one is repeatance. So in case of, if we set a background image for any element, if you want to repeat the image, means the image, suppose your element size is very big, right? It occupies some area, but your image is very less width and height. That situation, you want to space only one image, otherwise you want to repeat this image again and again, horizontally or either vertically. You don't want to repeat, no issue. If you want to repeat the image continuously, you can use this background repeat option, that one. And there is a multiple options are there. Repeat is, it will be repeat. No repeat is, it will be only applied, only image will be appear only one side. But X repeat, the image only repeats horizontally. And Y repeat, image only represent vertically. With the help of that, the repeat is a default for background repeat. That generally the repeat is default. If in case the element size is bigger than this image size, then automatically it is a image is repeated, right? The next one is a background size. Background size in the sense background image size we can set. Generally it would be auto, but if you want to update this, when the image is updated, when the image is repeating, that situation it would be help. Width and height would be help. The next one, background attachment. Scroll, if you want to scroll or not. This property will be useful when there is a scroll bar for the element. Suppose there is a scroll bar. If in case your element is this one, this element having scroll bar, that situation we are using. It is generally be used within the body tag. Suppose we apply background image for the body tag and it has this scroll bar. When we scroll the page up and down, this property decides whether the background image should be scrolled along with the text. With the help of the text, it will be scrolled or not. We can decide. The scroll would be default. Fixed in the sense the image will be fixed. Even we are scrolling, that image is not moved. So that is a benefit. Next one, multiple images. If you want to apply multiple images as a background, that's very simple. With the help of this background attribute, we can decide how many images we want to set. First, in first place, you can place the image path, then you can decide the position. Already we know that 9 positions are available. With the help of that 9 position, you can repeat. You want to repeat that image, otherwise you want to place multiple images. It will be get, right? So next one, if you want to apply image to our border, just with the help of this URL, we can attach the PNG size image and you can set the size in the sense 30%, otherwise 20%. You can set the length and you want to repeat or no repeat. That is also possible, right? So here stretch, if you want to stretch, it will be occupy entire element, but element width and height is very low. Even also we can stretch that. It occupies entire image. So with the help of these all properties, we can create our web page with a effective way. Images are the looking attractive, right? So with the help of gradient colors and with the help of images, we can design web page with a attractive way. User can attract our web page. Just observe, with the help of these properties, we can create one program and how this property would be executed, right? So then first I want to go with open Visual Studio Code, and I want to stop this, and I want to take one new file, that is background. File is background.html. so these are program shift 1, so it will be creates general, right? The first one, go live. So live server is there, so with the help of that, so document in the when we are changing this one b image, just observe the document name will be changed b image. So here I want to use some paragraph, lorem, 2 paragraphs are there, right? Very big paragraph. So these are size, right? So now I want to apply background image. Same I am using here style attribute. First one background image, then just to observe background image. So what we are placing URL. Now we need to place URL. So here we are attaching image, right? So we attach URL of the image. Already we are having image, right? Plenty images are available. First I am trying to use URL of. So what is our images? There is a folder. So suppose NTR pic, that's what happened. It occupies. So it is not fit. Actually the image size, just observe here, when I am using lorem again and again, automatically it fixes, right? Again the size. Just observe. So it will be, but I want to set the size of this image. How we can set that? With the help of that we can set the size. So here background size, image size. We want to decide image size. How much? We want to provide width and height, right? Suppose I am placing 50%, then what happens? 50%, right? Automatically it is repeating. Actually image is repeat, defaultly it repeat, right? So if you don't want to repeat that, just you can change that background repeat. So what you want to do is here no repeat, then one image will be there. It occupies only this much, right? Suppose 100%, you want to take 100%. So it will take 100%. Either you want to take based on the size, right? Based on the size, the image would be different, right? Based on the size. It is not a fixed, right? It is not a default one. It is not it is a fixed one, right? It is not adjust. So next one, if you want to repeat repeat only horizontally, right? Here repeat, we are not repeating that. So here we don't want this with one 50%, we are using 50%, and here repeat x only horizontally it will be works, right? Suppose I am using here the image size 10%, only horizontally it will be replied, right? Repeat x. Suppose we are using repeat y, what happens? Vertically the image would be repeats, horizontally and vertically. The default is repeat only. The default is repeat, right? Then what happens? Default is repeat. That is a size. Based on size, the image will be multiple times it will be repeated, right? Suppose body, entire body we want to apply, entire body. So body tag is already there. Body tag style. So background image, right? Background image. So again here URL is a one function. With the help of URL we can do that. Images, right? images. So here I am using Modi. The image is multiple times repeat, right? Multiple times repeat. Just to observe, even scroll also it works. Defaultly it is scrolled. The image would be scrolled. Suppose when I want to stop this, then you will get clear idea. So image would be scrolled even. So it is a fit, right? Multiple repeat. So you don't want to repeat that background image, that right. Next one, so you want to fix that image, right? Even scroll also it works now. So it is a fixed one, scroll. So we want to set that. Suppose I want to use this I want to this one. Just observe, I'm repeating this. So the text color is different, right? So I want to change the image. Like with a PNG image are available, right? There is sample size slash PNG, right? PNG, and I'm using this one image, heart symbol, right? Suppose I'm using here 6 different images, right? Background images, right? But I don't want to repeat this all images, right? Even scroll also it will be available. First of all, I want to restrict the repeat. So how can I restrict the repeat? Background repeat, no repeat. I don't want to repeat this one, no repeat. What happens? One image only there, right? So when we are scrolling, it is as right, not available, right? Image is not view. So we need to fix that image. Then you observe the background attachment fixed. Then what happened? Just you observe, the image is fixed, right? Without fix, then what happened? When we are scrolling the image, when the image size up and down, automatically it will be gone, right? Just observe, I want to change this 4. This is the image. Automatically the image is fixed. When we are controlling local, suppose normal, this scroll, what happened? Scroll, what happens? So image is only one time. When we are fixing this one, what happens? Fixed. Then the image is fixed. Even we are scrolling, the image is visible every time, right? So we even scrolling also image is fixed. We are setting a position, right? This is one of the benefits. So if you want to attach multiple images, I want to attach multiple images, then what should we do? Then with the help of background attribute, we can do that. So just there is only one image actually here. So just I want to add background. So background URL of, so here PNG and 1. So next, so here we need to set position, where you want to set position. Left, and this one repeat, no repeat. Then one time only, it is available only one time. Multiple images we want to place, URL, and we need to set this size like a center and no repeat. Then what happens? Just observe, 2 images. Suppose in the place of center I am using right. Then what happens? Right side, 1 image, right? And again I want to insert one more image, URL of PNG and 8. Then what happened? One more image occupies cart size of, suppose I am taking this one center bottom, bottom, right, bottom, and no repeat, no repeat. So here we can, this suppose just observe one, here there is a bottom, the two images, multiple images we can insert as a background. Thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye.